Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something super important to me, adaptive fitness. We're going to talk about how you can stay active and healthy even with mobility challenges, because everyone deserves to feel strong and confident in their bodies. It doesn't matter if you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out on your fitness journey. We're going to break down some simple and effective exercises that can be adapted to any fitness level. Remember, it's all about listening to your body and going at your own pace. So are you ready to get moving with me? Let's do this. Alright guys, let's talk about food. What you put into your body is like putting premium fuel in your car. It helps you perform at your best. And when it comes to adaptive fitness, a balanced diet is even more crucial. We're talking about loading up on those nutrient-rich foods that give you energy and support your muscles. Think of it like building a solid foundation for your workouts. First up, fruits and veggies. Aim for a rainbow on your plate. The more colors, the more vitamins and minerals you're getting. These guys are packed with antioxidants that help your body recover after exercise. Next, we need protein, the building block of our muscles. Lean proteins like chicken, fish, beans, and lentils are fantastic choices. They help repair those muscles after a good workout and keep you feeling fuller for longer. And of course, we can't forget about those healthy carbs. Choose whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread. These guys provide slow-release energy that powers you through your workouts and your day. Remember, it's all about balance. Listen to your body, find what works for you, and enjoy the journey. Let's get those bodies moving. Stretching is like giving your muscles a big, warm hug. It helps improve your flexibility, prevents injuries, and gets you ready for action. Now I know what you might be thinking, Joe. Stretching with limited mobility, how's that gonna work? Trust me, we've got this covered. There are tons of adaptive stretches you can do from a seated position or even lying down. First up, let's try some gentle neck stretches. Slowly tilt your head from side to side, feeling that stretch in your neck muscles. Remember, no jerky movements, just smooth and controlled. Next, let's move on to shoulder rolls. Roll those shoulders forward in a circular motion, then reverse it and roll them backward. This one feels amazing, right? Now let's stretch those arms. Extend one arm forward, then use your opposite hand to gently pull it across your chest. Hold it there for a few seconds, feeling that stretch in your shoulder and arm. Repeat on the other side. How about some seated twists? Sit up tall, with your feet flat on the floor. Gently twist your upper body to the right, then to the left, keeping your core engaged. This one feels great on the spine. Remember, listen to your body and stop if you feel any pain. We're aiming for a gentle stretch, not a strain. Okay, now that we've got our workout routine sorted, let's talk about fueling those bodies with some delicious and nutritious meals. I've put together some easy-to-follow meal plans that are perfect for those with mobility challenges. For breakfast, let's kickstart our day with a super smoothie. Blend together some frozen berries, a handful of spinach, a scoop of protein powder, and a splash of almond milk. It's packed with antioxidants, protein, and healthy fats to keep you feeling full and energized all morning long. Lunch is all about keeping it light and fresh. How about a big salad with grilled chicken or fish? Load it up with colorful veggies like bell peppers, cucumbers, and tomatoes for added vitamins and minerals. For dinner, let's go for something comforting and satisfying. Try a hearty vegetable soup or a baked sweet potato loaded with black beans, salsa, and a dollop of Greek yogurt. These meals are packed with fiber and protein to keep you feeling full and satisfied all evening long. And don't forget about snacks. Keep healthy options on hand like fruits, nuts, and yogurt to keep those energy levels up between meals. Remember, these are just a few ideas to get you started. Feel free to get creative in the kitchen and adapt the recipes to your liking. So there you have it, my friends. Adaptive fitness is all about finding what works for you, listening to your body, and never giving up on your goals. Remember, every small step counts, and consistency is key. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome fitness tips and tricks. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who might find it helpful. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay active, stay positive, and I'll see you in the next video.